You know, it's funny, the things people make a big deal out of, we don't make a big deal out of it. It's hilarious. For example, calories and protein and oil and all this stuff that people get so up in arms about. For us, it's like, we just do what we want. I mean, no, we don't count calories. The only time I count calories is when I'm forced to. Like the other day, when I made that video about what I eat in a day, it doesn't look like I eat a lot. And several people made a comment saying, man, you're barely getting 50 calories eating that, or you're not getting any protein. You're getting like less than 5 grams of protein. So I said, all right, let me add this up. So I added it up, and you'd be surprised. When Kara made that roll, it had a cup of walnuts in it. 1 cup of walnuts is 523 calories. That's 12 grams of protein. And then the ice cream, a cup of cashews, 719 calories, 5 grams of protein. And then another 200 from the fruit that was mixed in with it. 250 calories, 5 grams of protein from the hazelnut topping. The cacao nibs, 100 calories, 2 grams of protein. The salad had 250 calories and 2 grams of protein. Yeah, that salad, it still has some calories and some protein. 1 tablespoon of salad dressing, 60. Another 450 calories and 25 grams of protein in the smoothie I mentioned that I have during that time. I always have a smoothie during the day. That's a lot of calories and protein. And for those days where I don't feel like eating a lot of nuts or seeds or peanut butter or whatever it is, that's why I made my super plant protein. It's the Rolls Royce of plant proteins. I created this for myself. I take this myself every day. If you add up everything on that day, on that video, that particular day where it looks like you didn't eat enough, all that adds up to over 2,500 calories. That's a lot. People, it adds up fast. All these little things add up fast, and people wonder why they're overweight nowadays. Protein is assembled from amino acids, and all plants have various amino acids that, when assembled together in the body, create protein. That's why I created the protein formula. Prickly pear cactus, for example, people don't know. That's a good source of protein. It's high in a lot of stuff. Other great sources are quinoa sprouts, chlorella, pumpkin seeds, peas, fava beans, hemp seeds, nettle. Nettle is actually high in protein. Alfalfa, pine nuts, durian, and even greens. Even greens have protein in it, amino acids. People try to break it out. Is it proteins, carbs, or fats? Are you high fat, low carb, high protein, low carb, high fat? It's like, we don't count that stuff. And people think like a cucumber, a nut, a seed, it's just one thing. That's why I made this video. You gotta check this out. For example, is an avocado a protein, a carb, or a fat? Is a cashew a protein, a carb, or a fat? It's silly why people even think like that. We eat until we're full. That's it. And it's not complicated. And as far as the high fat thing, because we have some oils, oh my God, you're gonna die because you had some oil. You're high fat. I made a video about that. Watch this video. Is anybody watching my videos? We're not extremists. We don't care. We don't care what people are making a big deal about. And a spoonful, a tiny spoon of olive oil, a tiny spoonful of coconut oil isn't gonna kill us. My God, we're not drinking this stuff like a glass of it or something. And we work out our bodies. We exercise. We move our muscles. If olive oil kills you, then these, why is it the Mediterranean diet? People over there, they guzzle that stuff. Bernardo Lapallo, the guy I interviewed, lived to be 114 years old. He swam in the stuff. He used it every day and everything. So I don't care. I don't care what the latest scare trend is that people are doing. It doesn't matter to me. I do what I want, what I feel like doing, and I share it with you. Yeah, I eat a lot of nuts. Almonds aren't even a nut. You know what almonds are? They're a seed. Cashews aren't a nut. You know what they are? Some smart ass is going to say, that's a legume, or it's a drupe. No, all of you are wrong. It's not a legume, and it's not a drupe. It's actually the seed of the drupe. So they're... Anyway, they're not nuts. Whatever they are, I don't care. It doesn't matter. I'm enjoying myself, and that's it. That's my video. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.